Hi everyone, welcome to Fang's Kitchen. I'm Fang. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make pig's tongue. The main ingredients are pig's tongue, chili, and garlic. First, let's deal with the pig's tongue. Put the tongue into the pot, add some ginger, put some cooking wine. If you don't have a cooking wine, any wine is okay. No matter it is red wine or balinka, it is okay. Feel free. Then add some cold water. Please be sure must be cold water. The water should cover the tongue. Then let's open the fire. Let's use the maximum fire until the water is boiled. When it is boiled, let's take it and go to wash it. Then look at this fire. The biggest one, medium one, and the smallest one. Then let's choose the smallest fire here. Let's put the tongue in it. Put some salt. A little bit soy sauce. A little bit sugar. A little bit cooking wine. Then let's add boiled water. The water should cover the tongue. Then let's open the fire. When you open the fire, you need to turn to the fire into medium. Then let's cover it. Then wait for 1 hour. During the waiting, let's make the sauce. First, let's deal with the garlic. It's time to show. Then let's cut more. Then let's put into the bowl. Next, let's deal with the chili. Let's beat the chili. Cut into small pieces. When it's done, let's put it into the bowl. Look at this beautiful color. Let's add salt. Sugar, soy sauce, these 3 ingredients are very basic. Mushroom powder, spicy powder, then mix it. Then let's heat up spicy oil. If you don't have spicy oil, any plant oil is okay. When the oil is super duper hot, let's make the sauce. Please be careful, stay away from the sauce. Then mix it. The sauce is ready. The tongue is ready. Let's start to eat. This tongue can eat like this. Let's grab one piece of tongue and do this. Add a little bit of sauce. The tongue is very soft because the fire is very small. The sauce is so fresh. The sole, you also can eat some pickled garlic. Wonderful. Usually, I always eat meat and vegetable. I don't eat rice or noodles. If you want to eat noodle or rice, you can add. Very delicious. Cheers. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.